We'll guide you through how to make paper tier animation in Blender. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Blender by tapping its icon to start the project. Press A to select all existing objects. Then press X to delete them and confirm the action. Press Shift and A, open the Mesh menu, and add a plane. Reposition the plane as needed, then press Ctrl and A and apply the scale option. Next, press Tab to enter edit mode. Right-click the plane, choose Subdivide, open the Subdivide settings, and set the number of cuts to 50. Press K to activate the knife tool and create a random cut, or shape it however you like, to produce a torn paper effect. Press Enter to confirm the cut. Next, press Alt and M, then choose the faces and edges by vertices. Then select all the top vertices by holding Ctrl and clicking each corner vertex until they are all selected. Press Ctrl and G to place those vertices into a single vertex group. Press Tab again to return to object mode. With the plane still selected, open the side panel and locate the physics section. Apply a cloth simulation, then scroll to the bottom and expand the shape section. Assign the vertex group created earlier to the pin group field. After that, press Shift and A again, open the Mesh menu, and add a sphere. Right-click the sphere and choose Shade Smooth to improve its appearance. Next, create an animation where the sphere passes through the paper. Start by placing the sphere at its initial position and press I to insert a keyframe. Move to a later frame on the timeline. Reposition the sphere so it travels through the paper, and press I again to insert another keyframe. While the sphere remains selected, open the side panel once more and make sure the physics section is active. Apply collision physics so the cloth can react to the sphere's movement. Finally, review the simulation by pressing the playback button and watching the animation.